Today, I wanted to talk about a topic that's not specific to tax law. It actually applies to any area of the law that you can think of. And the question is, should you lie to your lawyer? I was driving home this evening. It's Friday evening. It's been a long week. And I just got to thinking about that. You know, if more of my clients were just straight up with me, we would get even better results than we do. And we get really, really good results. But I think it all goes back to my days as a public defender. So the very first job I was able to get fresh out of law school, I had moved from California to Tampa, Florida, and I didn't know anybody. And it was a little bit difficult to get a job in the early 90s. And I ended up getting a job as a public defender. And to be frank, it was not my dream job, but it was a job and somebody gave me a break and somebody gave me a shot. And so I was bound and determined to do the best, absolute best job I could, both for myself and for my clients. And so a typical day, I would get 12 to 15 new clients arraignments in the morning. And then I would then have like a docket call kind of thing in the afternoon. So I was in court all day. And not a day went by, probably an hour did not go by without some client didn't tell me something. So they withheld information, which in some respects is the same as lying. Or they just flat out told me a falsehood. And it came out in court, in open court, and I just had to deal with it. I had to think on my feet, act just nonplussed, like it was no big deal, and figure out a way to just deal with that bad fact. Which leads me to this concept that in all cases, all legal cases, they're based upon facts, and facts are really they're really kind of absolute things. It's like what happened actually happened, and every case has good facts and bad facts. And the lawyer can't deal with the bad facts, and every case has them. The lawyer cannot deal with the bad facts unless the lawyer knows about the bad facts. And how does the lawyer find out about the bad facts? From his client. So even in tax law, if there are negative facts or facts that you're afraid of, it'd be better to tell your lawyer that so that we can deal with them. See, when you talk to a lawyer in a consultative sort of way, what's called attorney-client privilege attaches, and those communications are confidential. So the lawyer can't rat you out. It's against the ethical rules for the lawyer to rat you out. But the lawyer needs to know about these bad facts so that we can adjust, so we can maneuver around them and prevent the bad facts from either coming out entirely, or if they have to come out for whatever reason, then we can massage them and present them in the light most favorable to the client. So it's a delicate conversation. I think most lawyers who are watching this video would agree with me. We need to know what the facts are so that we're not blindsided. Now, those couple years that I spent in the public defender's office, 28 years ago, were really instructive and very helpful. And I'm used to bad facts just sort of flying in from the side and dealing with them on the fly. But I can tell you, your lawyer's going to do a better job if he or she can plan around those and know about them ahead of time. If you have questions about this or really anything else that has to do with tax law, I would invite you to visit our website at getirshelp.com.